So let's talk wheels and tires. As you can see, we had the white wheels with the black tires, and I did not like that look. So we decided to go a different route. First thing we needed to do was get new tires, and so I just took the size that were on those original tires, and I was able to find them relatively cheap. Now, I will say this, there are different types of tires. You can have road tires, off-road tires, all-weather tires, all-terrain tires. I got all-weather tires, thinking it was like all-terrain, and it's not. It's different. So just be aware of that when you're looking for tires, which kind you really want. Then I thought, I love these black rim wheels with the holes in them, and I really liked it. So I bought them, and I got them here. And that is where the real lesson started for me, because I didn't understand that there are such things as lug patterns. Now, I knew there was 5 lugs. I got a 5-lug wheel. I got this video from Jason showing me that he's trying to put the wheel on and it won't fit because the lugs won't go into the lug pattern that I bought. And then that's when my education in lug patterns began. So our lug pattern was a 5x100, which is 100 is 100 millimeters. And so you have to measure from one lug to another. I had to do all this research to find this out. Finally figured out we have 100 millimeters. Jason measured it for me so that I could verify. And we did that. So then I thought, okay, well, I love those wheels, so I really want those wheels. So I went and I found some adapters that would allow me to fit our 5x100 lug pattern and keep the wheels that I bought. And I thought I had solved the problem. But, as you will see, it didn't solve the problem. Jason then sent me this video where my tires are 4 inches outside of my car. And that is when I learned about offset. And I had bought wheels that had a 2.5-inch offset, and I needed a 0 offset. And this was not going to work for us. And so then I had to look, you can look at this and go, oh my gosh. I also found out the difference between a 7-inch wheel and an 8-inch wheel. If you buy 7-inch tires, you need to get a 7-inch wheel width. So I learned that also. So then I was able to go and know that I needed a 0 offset, 5x100, 7-inch wheel. And I was able to find them and purchase them and make my car look really good. No stink bug, no nothing. It just looks really, really nice. And as you'll see, voila, my tires look good, my wheels look good, my car looks good. But it was a lesson for me because I just didn't know anything about wheels and tires. And now I do. And I hope that that helps you when you go to purchase your wheels and tires in the future.